Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to NAPH. I'm your tutor Mr. Wookie, and if you're new to this channel, you are highly welcome. Feel free to subscribe to the channel and go through the lots and lots of exciting videos out there for you to watch. So today we have another video to look at or question which is on calculus. And under calculus we have this question under what? Differentiation. Whenever you come across dy over dx, they are asking you to what? Differentiate. So the question says if y is equals to what? Our y is equals to 2, okay, multiply x raised to the power of 3, all right, plus 6x squared plus 6x plus 1, we have to find our dy over the x. Now the first thing you want to know is if I have y is equals to ax raised to power n or x raised to power n. My dy over the x is, okay, I'm going to use n to times it, so a times what? N, x raised to power, then I'm going to subtract 1 from the power. Or n will times what? X, and we are going to subtract 1 from the what? Power. It's as simple as that. So let's quickly apply this, idea to this expression, okay? So I'm going to have my dy over what the x is going to be. We are going to differentiate this, okay? So that will give us what? 2 multiplied by what? 3 is going to come down to multiply the 2, like we have here, n came down to multiply a, okay? And x raised to power, we are going to subtract 1 from the power, okay? The next one is plus, we have 6, 2 is going to come down to multiply the 6, and x raised to power 2, we are going to subtract 1 from the power. Now for this, the power is what? 1. Okay, so 1 is going to come down to multiply what? 6, and we're going to subtract 1 from the power. Finally, what about this last one there? We can express this as x raised to power 0, okay? So what that means is 0 is going to multiply 1, so plus 1 is going to multiply by 0, okay? And x raised to power 0 minus what? 1, okay? So from that, we are very close to our answer in this problem. Now let's simplify this expression. So my dy over dx is going to be 2 times 3, we know is 6. So this is x. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay? So plus 6 times 2 is going to give us what? 12. So x. 2 minus 1 is 1. So we can put down the 1 or not. But let's leave it in this case. Now 6 times 1, we all know is 6. Okay? And x raised to power what? 1 minus 1 is what? 0. Now for this part, since we are multiplying all this by 0, it's going to be 0. So 1 times 0 is 0. 0 times x raised to power 0 minus 1 is still 0. So all we need to put at the end is what? Plus what? 0. Okay? So let's simplify it further. So our dy over dx is going to be 6x squared plus what? 12x. Now, x raised to the power of 0 means 1, so this is plus what? 6 times 1. This is 0, so we have this expression. So our final answer to this problem is going to be 6x squared plus what? 12x plus 6 times 1, which is 6. So this gives us the solution to this simple problem. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button. You want to subscribe to this YouTube channel and send this YouTube channel's link to somebody that needs his or her skill to be improved or worked upon. Okay, so don't forget to hit the like button. I'll see you guys in my next one.